Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our 6.5 exercise next sums. So in earlier video we have done the three sums of 6.5. Today we will start from fourth one. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angle triangle at C. Prove that AB square is equal to 2AC square. It means in this sum they already given it's a isosceles. Isosceles means two opposite sides are equal. And right angle at C, it means 90 angle is there at C. Okay. So I have draw a triangle that ABC and C angle is 90. Okay. So ABC is a isosceles. According to triangle, it means AC equal to BC because AB is a hypotenuse and a hypotenuse is the longest side of the triangle. So AC equal to BC and ABC is a right angle triangle at C. It means it satisfies to Pythagoras also. So it means hypotenuse square is equal to Pythagoras square plus hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse, that is AB square, is equal to perpendicular AC square plus base BC square. So it's an isosceles triangle. It means AC equal to BC. So on the place of BC I can put AC. So it's also AC square, it become 2AC square. So AB square is equal to 2AC square and this one we have to prove. Okay. Now come on the next one sum. ABC is an isosceles triangle with AC equal to BC. If AB square is equal to 2AC square, then prove that ABC is a right angle triangle. It means just converse of the fourth one. Here already given it's a isosceles triangle. It means AC equal to BC and it's a given that AB square is equal to 2AC square and we have to prove that ABC is a right angle triangle. Okay. So again I have drawn a triangle and according to this AC equal to BC, so it means C is 90-degree angle. Okay. So AC equal to BC and C is 90-degree according to this one. Now they have given AB square is equal to 2AC square. Okay. So 2AC square I can write it 2 times. So AC square plus AC square. Okay. And they have given AC equal to BC. So on the place of once AC I can put BC square. So let's check. AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. AB square, okay, is equal to AC square plus BC square. So it's satisfied to Pythagoras theorem and Pythagoras is applicable in right angle triangle. So it means ABC is a right angle triangle at C. Okay. Now the next sum, sixth one sum, ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A. Find each of its altitude. So already they have given it's a isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means its all sides are equal, that equal to 2A and we have to find altitude. In equilateral triangle we know that altitude is perpendicular bisector also. So it means AD that divide BC into two equal parts, BD and DC, and it's form 90-degree angle also. Okay. So firstly ABC is a isosceles triangle. It means AB equal to BC equal to AC, that equal to 2A. They have given that each side is 2A. Okay, beta. Then it's taken by us that AD perpendicular to BC because they have given altitude. We have to find altitude. So it's a perpendicular bisector. I already elaborate. So it means BD is a half of BC. Okay. So half of BC means BC is 2A over 2. It means BD is A. Okay. So let's take triangle ABD. So it's a right angle triangle. Okay. So we can apply Pythagoras on this. So AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Mean to say hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So that is 2A square, AD perpendicular that as it is plus BD that is A square. 2A square that equal to 4A square, AD square as it is and it's a square. A square can shift there by changing of sign. So 4A square minus A square that equal to 3A square, AD square is equal to 3A square. And square can be shift there by square root. So AD is equal to under root 3a square. A square can be cancelled with root, so a can come out and root 3 is inside the root. So RAD, it mean altitude, is equal to a root 3. ठीक है. And the next one sum, prove that sum of square of the sides of rhombus is equal to the sum of the square of its diagonal. It's a very important sum. So in this one they have given a rhombus. Firstly, rhombus, in rhombus we know that all sides are equal and its diagonals perpendicular bisector of each other, and we have to prove that sum of the square of its sides is equal to sum of the square of its diagonal. Mean to say, if I just elaborate according to diagram, that ABCD is a rhombus and AC and BD is a diagonal. So we have to prove AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square is equal to AC square plus BD square. ठीक है, this one we have to prove. So let's start. Firstly we can take triangle AOB. Why? Because we know that it's a diagonal perpendicular bisector to each other. It means AOB is a right angle triangle, so we can apply Pythagoras on it. So according to Pythagoras, that is h square, mean to say hypotenuse square, is equal to p square perpendicular square plus b square base square. So AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. ठीक है. So now on the place of OA I can write half of AC. ठीक है. And on the place of OB I can write half of BD. ठीक है. So square is there when I open the bracket. So AC square as it is and 2 square that become 4. And here BD square as it is and 2 square 4. Now take LCM, 4 and 4 can shift there by cross multiply. So it become 4 AB square is equal to AC square plus BD square. ठीक है. After that it's a 4 times AB square. It mean I can write it 4 times. So AB square plus AB square plus AB square plus AB square. ठीक है. And in this side same as it is AC square plus BD square. And in rhombus we know that its all sides are equal. So it mean AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. ठीक है. So now I can exchange the sides. So AB square as it is, 1 AB square I can write BC square, 1 AB square I can write CD square, and on the this place I can write DA square. And in this side same as it is AC square plus BD square. And let's check this one. We have to prove now. AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square is equal to AC square plus BD square. And this one we have to prove. ठीक है बेटा.